Getting help with tummy time. Okay, the course is really important. And when I know people feel the course isn't working or their child's not available for the course, this is where there's already a problem. And it's not you. First of all, what you have to realize, please, please, please don't work with your child on the floor. I don't teach that. I don't promote it. You're just not going to be able to do your best work. But the reason for your concern is my concern. The arms are just flailing. And I know people just want to see a baby move and they go, yay, that's great. But it's just so random. The weight transfer is not there and it's not going on. So you have a right to be concerned. See, what you're looking at, the term developmental delayed, in most states have to be 50% or more, right? So she's not at 50% because of the age. It's just impossible. Basically, she would have to be on life support or close thereof. I hate to be rude, but a baby just lying there for them to have concerns because they just see movement and they don't see, an issue. A baby's really at risk on top of that for reflux. And I get it that she can't sleep on her tummy when she's sleeping, then do all the exercises on her back. Because one of the first things we've got to do is just synchronize any movement we can with the spine. So I want to just give you like a foreshadowing. So again, there's very little midline crossing here. And so you really have the arms going here like this. But again, it should be eye spine and then eye hand. So as right now, she should be going into rolling over. And so that rolling over should be like this, right? But no offense, if she's like this with the hand and doing all of this, the movement doesn't have enough momentum to even go into a rollover, right? And so that's what we need to do. So even though her arms are moving all about, and I'll try and do it as much as possible, just do what I'm teaching you to do, even though you've got all that movement. And even though she's moving, try to just calm it down. Try and give it that attempt, that hardly touching butter and leaving a fingerprint and doing all of those kind of movements, right? That's really important for her. I teach the course so you can learn hand placement and how to do it. But again, if you have to do a tummy time course because, again, reflux, and you're just up here and your child's in your arms, right? And even though she's moving all about and the head's doing all of this, this is what you've just, as Bruce Lee would say, be like water. Just do it nice and gentle, right? Because, again, if somebody's moving like this, right, this is where the system can't synchronize up. And we've got to be there. And even though we're moving fast and settle this down, it's an initiation of movement that she's just not going to figure out on herself, right? And she's just going to power through it and movement through it. And that's not necessarily what I would consider for optimal development. But again, if she's going into independent sitting and we've got to calm down these arms, they need to be like, oh. So again, people see movement and they go, yay. But it's too much. It's too much movement. It's baby, she has too much force and momentum behind it. And we need to calm that down. And reflux too under control. If you're still at this stage in reflux, and no offense, but you're working only with a pediatrician, I would ask for gastro. It could be hiatal hernia. It could be eosinophilic esophagitis. I'm not trying to say Debbie Downer, but people don't realize there's sometimes there's only so much a pediatrician could do, and they're just missing. I get it. They think a little bit of Miralax and whatever. And I'm not, again, it's nothing against a pediatrician, but you do have development concerns and you've got reflux on top of it. And if the reflux is interfering with the development, we've got to calm down the reflux. And so it shouldn't be in a situation that you're in, and that's what we need to work on.